So, is there any lie or lies detected in this video? After watching and listening to what this guy said here,
one enemy Davido has in life is Tunde Ednut, because you agree with me, if you have an enemy that identifies as one, it is easy for you to avoid such enemy. But what if you have an enemy that poses as a friend? I mean a frenemy. Then it is so dangerous and so delicate. That is the kind of person Tunde Ednut is to Davido. Because tell me why you always put Davido under this so much pressure. Now Tunde Ednut has come out to announce Wizkid's song Kese has miraculously disappeared from Apple Music charts. And now you are doing it hiding under the disguise of I am a blogger, I can post it. But then you are posting this kind of thing, and in the next slide you are using Davido's song as your background song to your post. You are not even thinking this could be an Apple Music glitch and this song could still come back. Now imagine this song comes back and sits on top of Davido's Auke. Now imagine how much pressure you'll be putting on that guy, knowing fully well about the cutthroat competition between Davido and Wizkid in the Nigerian music industry.
I don't know how I can give this video more than 1 million likes. Like, I don't know how I can love this video 1 billion times. Tunde, as a blogger, when it comes to Davido and Wizkid, he has a way of using one against the other. Tunde is an instigator, if you ask me. And in all, Tunde, na him dey get am pass. Because Wizkid fans, Davido's fans, all of them are on his blog. And in the comment section, you will see these fans jumping on each other. You will see these fans fighting each other. The more they fight, the more they curse, the more they drag themselves, all are to Tunde's advantage. Remember, he is not in Nigeria, he is in London. The more engagement he gets, the more money he makes. Remember, he is not in Nigeria, he is in London. And with the way this competition is going, I'm now beginning to see that some blogs are being paid either by kind, favor, or money. No wonder Wizkid no send this to the head note. Wizkid, that's what I said. In head no the house at all. Like, Wizkid understands how this blog of a thing works in Nigeria, both home and abroad. It's everywhere. Which is why they too give them body, like they gum body with any blogger. He just the pipe low, just there on his own. If you like him, you like him for who he is, for what he does. If you don't like him, just day or day. Now I'm not saying that the video is paying Tunde Ednut, or Tunde Ednut is on his payroll, to constantly instigate Wizkid against Davido, or Davido against Wizkid, or their fans against each other. But if you pay a closer attention to their rift and how bloggers have been operating, you will understand that it's either you are for one person or you are against one person. Maybe because their bloggers genuinely love them and what they do, or because they are on their payroll. Now I understand the rule of loyalty. You must be loyal to who is loyal to you. To your friends, of course, which Tunde is really playing that role when it comes to his relationship with Davido. But then again, he's actually doing more harm than good when it comes to how people drag Davido. Check Tunde's comment section. Anytime he posts anything about Davido that relates to Wizkid, the kind of insults, the kind of blasting, the kind of curses like people heap on Davido, you know, so they should just please. When Wizkid is trending, we know he's trending. Just come on your mouth. Even if you want to post anything about Davido or concerning Davido, just do it. Don't attach Wizkid to it. Don't even try to, that music he played there, just as that guy said, that was wrong. He was not supposed to do that at all. It's Prince competition. Like, is it that Tunde enjoy watching people insult Davido in his comment section? Let me ask that though. Let me ask that question. Someone said he does. And if truly Tunde does, that means he is selfish. And to Davido, he might see it as a friend supporting a friend, Tunde is supporting him. But the earlier he cautions Tunde to stop attaching anything that concerns Wizkid to him. Stop it, side by side. Stop it. If you want to post me, post me. If you want to post Wizkid, post Wizkid. Stop all these competitive posts, so that people will stop insulting him. Unless Davido is trying to tell us that he enjoys all the whole insults, all the whole blasting. And to be honest, defending Davido when it comes to Wizkid is very, very hard though. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. And defending Wizkid self when it comes to Davido matter, it is very, very hard because these are the two artists that are very, very competitive when it comes to Nigerian music market. They have a huge fan base. You can't deny that. Davido's latest song, Awuke, top number 50 in the US rhythmic charts. And Wizkid Kese Kese takes number one spot on Apple Music. I don't know for now, but yesterday he top number one. He took that spot. The both artists they are doing good for themselves. The two musics, Kese Kese and Piece of Heart by Wizkid, they are all good. Davido's Awuke, very fantastic job. Both of them did a fantastic job. So the comparison, I don't understand. In fact, these two people, their settlement, when I say now God go settle them, but it is very sure. That being said, guys, that brings me to the end of this video. Please do give this video a thumbs up, massive likes, comment, and share so that this video will get the visibility that it needs. In case you're watching for the first time, this is Loudly GISTLOVER YouTube. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. On this channel, we react, analyze, we give trending gist, celebrity news, true crime, and true crime stories. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching, liking, commenting, and sharing. Bye bye for now as I'm signing off for my next one. Peace out. I love you all. Okay, Messi Anungano. Bye.